If your hair looks dull, lifeless, frizzy, or feels oily at the roots, yet dry at the ends, and you're tired of spending money on expensive products that don't deliver, then this video can truly change your hair routine. Imagine if a simple, natural rinse, something that might already be sitting in your kitchen right now, could give you salon-level shine, smoothness, and softness without chemicals or damage. This is not a passing trend or an internet myth. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share one common mistake that nearly 90% of people make, and that mistake is the main reason they never see real results. Think about this for a moment. Every time you shampoo your hair, no matter how expensive or professional the shampoo is, your hair often feels rough, tangled, or heavy afterward. Healthy hair and scalp are slightly acidic, but most shampoos are alkaline. When this imbalance happens, the hair cuticles open up. Once the cuticles are open, shine disappears, frizz increases, and hair becomes more prone to breakage and damage. This is exactly where Apple Cider Vinegar Rinse starts to work its magic. Apple cider vinegar is naturally acidic, which helps bring your hair and scalp back to their ideal pH level. When the pH is balanced again, the hair cuticles lie flat and sealed properly. The result is smoother strands, less frizz, and hair that reflects light beautifully, giving you that natural, glossy shine. This is the same reason hair looks so shiny after expensive salon treatments. One of the most noticeable benefits of this rinse is instant shine. As soon as the cuticles smooth down, light reflects better, and your hair looks healthier and glossier. Another major benefit is frizz control. If your hair tends to puff up in humidity or feel rough and unmanageable, this rinse can make a visible difference. It also works as a gentle scalp detox, helping remove product buildup, excess oil, and dead skin without stripping your scalp or over-drying your hair. If you struggle with an oily scalp but dry ends, this rinse is especially helpful because it balances oil production instead of making the problem worse. For people dealing with dandruff or an itchy scalp, regular use can help create a healthier scalp environment, reducing flakes and irritation over time. This is why many professionals also refer to apple cider vinegar rinse as a natural scalp treatment, not just a shine booster. Now let's talk about how to use it correctly, because this is where most people go wrong. Apple cider vinegar should never be applied directly to your hair without dilution. Always use raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and mix it with water. A safe and effective ratio is 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 cup of water. If you're trying this for the first time, or if your hair is sensitive, start with just 1 tablespoon. After shampooing, when your hair is clean and still wet, slowly pour the mixture over your scalp and through the lengths of your hair. Leave it on for about 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse it out with cool or lukewarm water. But if your hair is very dry, you can apply a small amount only to the ends. A common concern people have is the smell. Once your hair dries, the apple cider vinegar smell completely disappears. This not only improves the scent, but can also support scalp health. Another powerful benefit of this rinse is that it's safe for color-treated hair when used with proper dilution. This is why many professional stylists recommend an acidic rinse after coloring treatments. Frequency also matters a lot. You don't need to use apple cider vinegar rinse every day. If you have very oily hair or use a lot of styling products, twice a week can work well. If your hair is dry, curly, or textured, once a week is usually perfect. With consistent use, most people start noticing a real difference within 2 to 3 weeks. Apple Cider Vinegar Rinse is not an overnight miracle that fixes everything in one use. It's a long-term hair health solution. Over time, as your scalp becomes healthier and your hair cuticles stay smooth, your overall hair quality improves. That means less breakage, better shine, improved manageability, and a healthier environment for hair growth. If you want naturally shiny hair without keratin treatments, harsh smoothing chemicals, or heat damage, this rinse deserves a place in your routine. It's affordable, natural, and suitable for almost every hair type when used correctly. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like the video. That one simple action really helps support the channel and allows me to keep sharing proven, natural hair tips that actually work. Many people rinse their hair with very hot water after using apple cider vinegar. Always finish with cool or room temperature water so the cuticle stays sealed and you get maximum shine. Another common mistake is using too much vinegar, thinking more will give faster or better results. That's not true. Too much apple cider vinegar can irritate your scalp and dry out your hair. Balance is key. Natural remedies work best when they're used with patience and the right proportions. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing smooth, glossy, healthy-looking hair, and having people ask you which salon treatment you've had done. And you know the secret is simply a consistent apple cider vinegar rinse at home. If you're dealing with hair fall, dullness, frizz, or an oily scalp, start this routine and give it time. Natural solutions work when they're used correctly and consistently. And if you want to discover more proven hair care secrets, scalp treatments, and natural beauty routines that deliver real results, make sure to visit the channel for the next video, because I'll be sharing another powerful hair ritual that can take your hair health and growth to the next level.